Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to fix disk write error on Steam. So if you're actually having the disk write error onto your Steam, so this is a step-by-step guide for you onto how to fix that. So the first thing that we'll need to do in here is just to sign in onto your Steam app, and once you're already in here, head onto the upper part onto the Steam in here, click onto that, and head onto settings. So right after you click onto that, it should open this one up. So what you need to do right after for this, you'll just need to head onto storage in here. So you need to click onto that, and you need to make sure in here that you have the right storage selected. So click onto this drop down in here. You should be able to see the drives that you have onto your device. Make sure to choose which one you're using, and then right after that, click onto these three dots in here. And then right after, you'll just need to click on repair library, and then you'll just need to click onto repair to go ahead and fix that. And that's just basically it onto fixing disk write error on Steam. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.